Now let's flip it over.
So today we got this wrench set that we got. It comes all the way from 8mm to 22. It comes on its package, so you can fold it, take it in places. And so this is not only used for mechanics, it's also, we're in a cabinet shop, but we're taking tools apart. And when you try to reach, you don't want to get cut or something, this comes handy. It has a wrench, so you could tie it or loosen it. As you see, it has an adjustable wrench. It's really handy to tie it up. If we want to go the opposite, you just flip it around and now loosen it like that. It comes really handy, especially that you don't want to get your hands, or if we want to take out the blade. That's the reason we got this, because we got a smaller wrench and we want to reach in there. So it comes really handy.
One of my favorite parts of this the tool, it has the rotating part, and then you can flip it to go the opposite way. But if you want it static, there's also a static area that doesn't rotate, and you can use it either or.